Hey everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you these really fun carousel unicorn embellishments. I was totally inspired by, I believe it's ScrapandCraftQueen here on YouTube. Anyways, I'll leave her link in the description box below. She's a very talented YouTuber here, and you should check out her channel and go show her some YouTube love. She is got a lot of fun ideas, and I just fell in love with these. So I just used my die cut from Michael's as a die cut with an embossing, and I just stickled up the eyes and the feet, or the hooves, and the tail here, and cut off a pom-pom from some pom-pom trim I have, and I just backed it onto the straw here. And then I made a purple one. And same thing. And this is the other unicorn die I got that I believe I got it online through AliExpress or something like that. And I used a different color pom-pom and straw to match the purple. And I stickled it all up with the silver stickles. And this one I was trying to make a shaker one. There's a lot of silver glitter, and there is purple stars in here, but the pink straw didn't really hold it too, or show the color too well, and I just put some hot glue down there to make sure nothing fell out, and silver stickles again, and another pom-pom here. But I am going to try again. I got some clear straws, so I'm going to see if I can make them maybe shake a little bit more. Give it more sparkle. So anyways, that's my share for today, and as I said, I will leave her link in the description box below. Go check her out, and thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.